Crafting is super fun. You can make cool stuff. You can use your imagination. Crafting helps you learn too. It makes your hands strong. It helps you think creatively. Making things is good for kids. It helps them learn new skills. They can follow directions. They can solve problems. It also builds confidence. When kids make things, they feel proud. Crafting is even more fun with others. Ask a grown-up to join you. You can make projects together. You can talk and laugh while you craft. Crafting is a great way to spend time together. So grab your supplies and let's get crafting. Let's make some silly friends. We can use things you already have at home. This craft is easy and fun. You can make your friends look however you want. What you need: empty toilet paper rolls, markers, construction paper, googly eyes, optional, glue, and scissors. Instructions. First, choose your favorite color marker. Color the entire toilet paper roll. You can make it one color or many colors. Next, cut out shapes from construction paper. These will be the arms, legs, and other features of your friend. Then, glue the shapes onto the toilet paper roll. Glue on googly eyes or draw them with a marker. Finally, use your markers to add a mouth, nose, and other fun details. See? It's easy to make new friends with just a few simple supplies. How many friends will you create? Have you ever wanted to put on a puppet show? Now you can. This craft turns an old sock into a funny friend. You can make them talk, sing, and tell jokes. What you need: one old sock, buttons, yarn, felt, glue, and scissors. Instructions. First, pick out a sock. Any sock will do. Then, glue on buttons for the eyes and nose. Next, cut yarn into small pieces. Glue them on top of the head for hair. Finally, cut a mouth out of felt and glue it on. That's it. Now your sock is ready to perform. Put on a puppet show for your family. You can tell stories with your new friend. What kind of voice will your sock have? Section 4. Colorful pasta necklaces. Let's make some jewelry. We can use pasta from your pantry. It's a fun way to make something beautiful. You can even give your creations as gifts. What you need: different shapes of pasta, paint, string or yarn, and a bowl for paint. First, put some paint into a bowl. Dip the pasta in the paint. Make sure you get all the sides. Let the pasta dry completely. Once the pasta is dry, you can string it onto a piece of yarn. There you have it, your very own pasta necklace. You can use different pasta shapes and colors to make all kinds of designs. Section 5. Craft away. Crafting is a great way to have fun and be creative. It's a fun way to spend time with family and friends. There are so many things you can make with just a few simple supplies. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to craft. The most important thing is to use your imagination and have fun. Happy crafting!